Hello everyone. So today, actually, we are going to see that how to visualize the data in a better manner, so that you can have a better view that how data is distributed and what the data is actually saying. So visualizing is a very great thing that is quite impressive. So okay, we'll be seeing that. So let's see that. So explore and visualize the data to gain insights. Now you can just see that since you are going to experiment various experiments for the various transformation of the full training set, so you should make a copy of the original so that you can revert it. Okay, so we are just going to make a copy. We will just copy it, and we had the collab notebook, so we'll be reconnecting it. Okay, hold on. I am connecting to the internet, and so actually, we are what we are going to do is actually, I hope it is visible to you. So, yeah. So we are actually making a copy of the thing. Okay, and we'll be running all. Then we will be visualizing the geographical data that how the distribution is there, how the data is distributed along with the latitude and longitude. Okay, so we'll be seeing it. So you can see the graph is there. Like you can see this is quite simple code. Like x is the longitude. So in the x-axis there is a longitude, and the y is the latitude. So y is the latitude, and the grid is true. So it is actually showing the grid. You can see here the boxes. And scatter means that it is scattering the points, and plot means to plot. Okay. So it is a function of matplotlib. Okay, so yeah, I hope that you have got it. So actually we are going to actually visualize the data. We are going to just copy this code. You have to write this code so that you have a better understanding that what the code is saying. I'm just copying and pasting because it will take more time to write. So yeah, you can see the data here. You can also change it. Okay, so let's change it to like we'll be taking the population on the y-axis. Let's take, and we'll be a scatter plot. Just see that how with the longitude the population is varying. You can also, I think, you can also change the color. Color is equal to green. Okay, so we are just going to change the color. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, so you can see that how the beautiful data is, and we'll be just actually changing it. So yeah, and we'll be making the color red. Okay, what is the favorite color? You can just put it. So this is actually in the red color it is showing. Now you can see that the it is not very clear. Like it is hard to see any particular pattern. You can see here like it is longitude and latitude and it is just scattering. So what we are going to do, we are actually going to set the alpha. So alpha is equal to zero point 0.2 and it will make us easier to visualize the places there is a high density points. Okay. So what you are going to do is just doing the copy it and I'm going to paste it. You can see that here we are adding the alpha. So you can see that at the high density point, it is actually here minus 122, 38 left. So here is like here these points are more density. So that is what the density is showing. So it is not very much clear. So we are going to use a different graph, and that is a better graph. You can see here. Okay. So I'm just going to put another graph, which is going to be the colorful graph, and it is going to be very good. So let's see. Yes, you can have a look here. I'm just, yeah, you can have a look here. Like in more density, you can see that in the both graphs, you can see this graphs here is the more density, here is the more density, but you can see that here the red is actually showing the more density population. So here it is more darker than it is more density. Here is the more density. So what it is actually saying that at the places minus 122, there is a more density of the population is there. So actually, it is saying that uh, that is actually you can say there is one insight here that larger circles indicate the larger areas in the larger population. Okay, so larger circles are actually saying that there are the larger population, and this side is actually the seaside. Okay, that's why it is there are very less population, and yeah, so there is red population. And red is expensive, I think. Okay, so red is expensive. So it is actually what is showing that it is actually showing median house value also. Like red is most costly, I think, and it is bigger than um, it is less costly. Like blue is less costly. So actually, this is the coastal region. I'm sorry, this is I think coastal region. Here the red is there. Like median house value is more, so that is like costly. So this was the whole thing about the visualization. This is actually the thing about the PLD is dot so my like PyPlot from the matplotlib. You can just access the matplotlib. I'm just going to show you. Okay. So I will be just attach the this collab notebook in the description, and yeah, and I'm just going to search matplotlib. Um, so you can learn matplotlib from the WS Cube Tech is here, and Code Basics is there. So you can just learn from there. I'll be paste the link of it, so you can gain more insight from there, and you can generate this image. Like you can say that X is the longitude, Y is the latitude, and S is equal to actually going to be the housing population divided by 100. Okay, then C is equal to median house value. So these all things are there. I hope you got this thing. You can also make this graph, and you can also find more insights. So I hope this was actually a short video or a short concept. You can say like you can have more insights by doing some more manipulation by the matplotlib. So thank you so much for learning this. In the next lecture, we are going to learn the correlation between the data. We are going somewhat slow because we want to excel at each and every concept. And I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, then please leave a comment below, and uh, also give a click on the like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.